Hello everyone, this is Alissa from Photobox Designs. I want to show you how to use this template. When you open it up, you're going to see that there is a layer for main hat. This is the hat that you can move around and place onto your subject's head. You move it with the Move tool. You just press the letter V to open up the Move tool, which is right over here. And you can move it, and my Photoshop is set up so that I have my Show Transformation tools, or you could press Command T to resize the hat any way you like. I also have a bunch of small little hats. They are already in here in a layer called Small Background Hats. If you open up this folder, each of these hats are movable because they're on their own layer. You can go in, you can move them, you can resize them, and they also have Gaussian blur and levels already applied to them. So you can go in and you can change the level because it's a smart object. You can change the level of the Gaussian blur. If you like the blur to be a little bit stronger, just open up the blur and make them a little bit blurrier or less blurrier. Remember that the size of your hats and how much blur they are will help to give the effect of them being in the foreground or the background. The smaller and blurrier, they should be smaller and blurrier if they're in the background, and sharper and larger in the foreground. So you can go ahead and you can change any of these hats. And they are in that folder, and you can move them around in any configuration that you like. You also have the the numbers 20, 20. They are left editable so that you could change the 20 to 21 or 22 later on for future use. And I provided you with a free download for the font that I used. However, I can never guarantee that fonts will be free when you purchase them. I find them online as a free download, but I do not create these fonts, and so if they are not free at the time of your purchase, then you'll just have to replace them with another font or purchase them from the provider. So I have 20 on one side and 20 on the other. And I have water shadows that you can turn on and off, and two background images. So you can change the sunset. I'm going to show you what it looks like when you bring a person in. Now, I already have a person that I've turned into a silhouette. If you're unsure how to do that, then you can follow my other tutorial that shows you how to change images into silhouettes. And the link will be in the comments of this post of this YouTube tutorial. I've already brought in my girl, but the way you would bring her in is go to File, Place Embedded, find the folder that has the girl, and then you would just place her in. So she's already in here. I'm going to open her up. You can see that she's here. I'm going to take the hat, move it right there on top of her head. You can resize that hat so it fits. And you'll see also that the shadows that I've created for you are already here. So if I shut off the shadows, she has a shadow also that I left that will help her look grounded into this. And if I shut her off and I just show on the shadows, the water shadows, you'll see that there is somewhat of a shadow here for a person, but you may need to add some more shadows to ground her or him in a little bit more. And the way you would do that is you can just go to the layer of the person. You can open up a new transparent layer, and using a soft round brush, you can just paint with a black soft brush. You could just paint in some more shadows, and a higher opacity, so you'd be able to do that. So that way it sort of blends in with the shadows that I've already provided for you. You can move her, you can make her smaller, you can make her larger, or him, and you can also change the size of the 2020 numbers. Hope that was helpful, and thank you very much for watching.